How to use the ChatterWorks Chrome browser extension. If this is your first time logging into the ChatterWorks platform, you can click on the link in the green banner at the top to download the extension. For returning users, you can click on your initials and a drop-down will appear with the link. First, we're going to click the Add to Chrome button, then click Add Extension in the pop-up. Then I'm going to go ahead and pull up my list of extensions so I can pin the ChatterWorks icon to stay in view. Now we're ready to test it out. I'm going to navigate to LinkedIn, and then I'm going to search for a candidate that I want to contact. From there, I'll click on the extension to log in, and now you'll see Carrie's information pop up. Here you have access to his available phone numbers, his mobile numbers, and his emails. You'll also find a variety of information about the candidate, including their work experience and featured skill set. Click on the social media icons to visit their social profiles to get to know your candidate better and see where they are most active. Here you can see Carrie's Facebook and his Twitter account. Now that you've reviewed your candidate's profile and want to remember them for later, you can add them to a project in ChatterWorks. Projects are used to organize and keep track of potential candidates for jobs you're sourcing. You can create a new opportunity directly within the extension. Just add your project name, the company it is for, and their website. If you'd like to adjust your settings, you can click on this button at the top to move the extension to the left side of your screen. You can also download a PDF version of your contact profile to share with others. Lastly, if you go to the very bottom of the extension, you can add notes to use for reference later. These notes, along with the contact profiles and projects, will also be accessible from your ChatterWorks web application. Thank you for listening to this tutorial and good luck prospecting with the ChatterWorks browser extension.